Good morning, evening, whatever it may be for you guys. In today's video, we are doing a summer morning routine. So I'm just going to quickly give you an overview of all the rooms messy that I will be cleaning in today's video. The rooms would be the kitchen, my bedroom, my dining room / game room, and my living room. So it's just going to be a quick tidy up, my summer morning routine, just to make it look a little bit presentable, and then we can move on with our day. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you are new here, my name is Ashley. I share this channel with my twin sister Courtney, so you get 2 different houses on one channel, and that means also 2 uploads per week. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. So I'm just going to give you an overview now of the rest of the rooms, and then we get into tidying up this house for the morning. So I figured I'd introduce myself for anybody new here. Again, my name is Ashley. I share this channel with my twin sister Courtney, and I am 30 years old. I've been with my significant other for 15 years, I want to say, since 07, high school sweethearts. We have 2 beautiful sons, 11-year-old and a 1-year-old. That will be 2 soon. I can't believe it. But we also have a dog. His name is Havoc. So yeah, our little family, all boys. I'm the only girl. Someone please save me. But I do have to say, it actually is quite nice. No one touches my stuff, so it all works out. But yeah, let me know something about you guys, if you have any children, if so, how old they are and stuff like that. Let me know how old you are. We love to know the age range on our channel, guys, so let us know. And I'm quickly going to be wiping this dish soap dispenser. Well, wow, that was a hard one. I'm going to wipe that down, and then we move on to wiping down the counters once I am all done polishing up the sink. So the first thing I'm actually going to be doing is folding that load of laundry that you just seen. I gave you a quick overview of my room. As you can see, the rooms in this video are not too bad. The upkeep has been pretty good lately, but I'm dreading a deep clean. I feel it coming on, guys. You know how it works. It goes good, and next thing you know, it's like, what the heck happened? When did this happen? Type of thing. So let's quickly fold this load of laundry and then get on to picking up the rest of this bedroom. Also, I wanted to say that I am watching Love Island. Courtney put me onto Peacock. Shout out to her. Thank you, Court. She lets me use the app. But anywho, let me know if you guys have watched that show or if you're into those types of shows. It's like a dating show and stuff like that. I was so invested in it, and I think it's weekly uploads. I don't know. I only seen a few episodes, and I'm really enjoying it. It kind of gives me Jersey Shore vibes if you ever watch that show, but not so much because, they're not really drinking as much as they did on Jersey Shore and stuff like that, or going out on the town. It's all in one area. But yeah, so I just wanted to say that's why I am fiercely staring at my screen on my phone this whole time, is because I was truly invested in that show. But let me know if you guys are, into anything right now, if you're into like reality TV shows, stuff like that, or whatever the case may be, like whatever you're into, let me know. I watch all types of things, not just these types. I'm into all types of genres as long as it's got a catchy line to it and stuff like that. I'm not really big into action shows, but I'll watch them here and there. But I'm really into like Dateline and stuff like that. All that girl stuff you hear, I'm into that. But let me finish folding this laundry. I'm going to speed it up for you guys so we're not here all day. But I just really wanted to add that in there if you're wondering why I'm staring at my screen. So here we go. I'm just about done in here, guys. So once I'm done picking it up, I obviously give you an overview of the bedroom all tidied up. We love doing befores and afters, guys, on our channel. It like gives us some satisfaction. Like, this is what it started with and this is what we're ending with, and it just makes you feel that much better about cleaning. But then after I'm done in here, I move on to the dining room / game room.
of her perfume. If my heart was yours to win, you don't deserve it, boy, you lose. We're in the jungle, and while we're out here, you are playing by my rules. 'Cause everyone knows fighting me's a battle you don't wanna lose. I surrender to you. Oh, you knocked down my heart. I surrender to you. Nothing can keep us apart. I can smell her on your skin, the bitter taste of her perfume. If my heart was yours to win, you don't deserve it, boy, you lose. We're in the jungle, and while we're out here, you are playing by my rules. 'Cause everyone knows fighting me's a battle you don't wanna lose. I surrender to you. Oh, you knocked down my heart. I surrender to you.
I would normally vacuum, but the baby went down for a nap. I didn't want to wake him up, so that's why I didn't include it in today's video. But this will wrap it up for today, guys. And I want to say thank you so much for choosing to watch my video, even though you didn't have to, and sticking it to the end. It means more than you guys will ever know. And I will see you next week with a brand new video. And stay tuned for Courtney's video on Saturday, guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching my video. Bye, guys.